Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. If you want to join me on my live stream, check out the link in the description and in the comments below. Also check out Crypto Daily Updates, one great Crypto Daily update for all your crypto news. The live stream will probably be back on this channel sometime this week. Got to get some things cleared up first. All right, we're going to talk about when Vechain will actually reach a penny. Last time Vechain reached a penny was during the Walmart news. I think that was actually in June of last year, so about 1 year ago. Now, we can actually kind of use that as a benchmark because 1 year ago, Bitcoin was actually above 10,000. Remember, Bitcoin rose from about 3,000 to 14,000, topped out at around 14,000 in June, July, and started going down in August again. But that was before the halving. Now that the miners need actually more money to actually sustain their mining, we might actually have a higher maximum. I personally am still waiting for it to drop, but it may not drop for now on. So that's one big factor that's actually kind of sporting this. And the thing is, like, since Bitcoin probably has a lower limit of like 8,800 or so for miners to actually make money, maybe that'll serve as a bottom. And if that serves as a bottom, then Vechain will probably not dip below 0.006 or 0.0065 if that theory is actually true. Now, last year, what was the big thing that got Vechain over a penny? It was Walmart. There was the summit too, which I think actually has been canceled this year. But the summit, this year has been canceled. But like, it wasn't the summit that made it go over. It was like Bitcoin's high price, which we're actually reaching right now. And I don't think it'll take like as high of a Bitcoin price this time to actually go Vechain. And also like the partnerships. We've had 2 partnerships with an Italian company and a large Chinese company to actually boost up the price lately. Also, there's this news today that we'll go over in the live stream about the Norwegian sustainable innovation news. I mean, and then Jason Rockwood has that cryptic tweet about, oh, appetizers come first before the entree. So we can actually suppose that there is another big announcement coming sometime in the future. And Sonny's mentioned NDAs too. I don't really make that big of a deal of NDAs. I mean, yes, there's probably some because of the whole pandemic thing. But, until they're revealed, I don't really make too much of it. Some people are expecting Amazon. I don't think so. I think Amazon actually has their own system. Some people think Target. That might be well and good. But the thing is, even if it's another mediocre or like middle ground type of partnership, people will get excited about it. Vethel burn has also been kicking up the last two weeks or so lately. Average-wise, we've been burning quite a little bit more on weekdays and even a little more on weekends. So activity is actually kicking up. So I do think like a lot of the speculation, a lot of the hopes will fuel Vechain past a penny by September 1st of this year. Now, that does depend on Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin retreats to 5,000, Vechain's not getting to a penny. But if Bitcoin can hold around 9.5K, I think Vechain can break a penny. I don't know if it'll sustain above a penny, but it can break a penny by September 1st. Remember, XRP back in 2017 didn't really have all that much. And it actually, went from like 5 cents to like 30 cents in April of 2017. I mean, that was a big burst for like Ethereum and all the other coins as well. But some people are feeling like a surge in some of the altcoins because some of the altcoins have actually been gaining very nicely. Now, aside from Ethereum, it hasn't been like top coins. It's been like coins outside the top 7, top 8 coins. Cardano, obviously, Tezos, ZEC's been doing very well recently. So there's been little mini surges in a couple of coins that actually have been mentioned or are pretty decent projects. And I think some people are seeing some kind of resurgence in the altcoin market as well. Maybe not all altcoins, but a lot of those that have a chance. So that's why I think like in the next 3 months, Vechain will breach a penny. I mean, it's 0.0075 right now, so it's not too far off. And I know some people are thinking a penny, what about 50 cents, $1? Yeah, let's wait on that and let's get past a penny first, because that's a big psychological barrier. And I think if it can actually clear a penny, it can go up quite a lot. So for all you Vechain fans, I do think Vechain will actually breach a penny by September 1st, towards the end of the summer, anytime along there. All it takes is that one big announcement. It has to shoot up basically 30%. And realistically, we've seen Vechain shoot up 20-30% in a very short time, a couple of times in the last 6 or 7 months. So it wouldn't be really all that surprised. If Bitcoin goes to 12K, I think Vechain breaks a penny easily. And that's another way. But I think like just the announcements coming from Vechain, plus that big announcement that Jason Rockwood is alluding to, could actually push it above a penny in the next 2 or 3 months. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.